Hello, everyone. Hi, this is Sahil this side. Thank you for coming in and watching another video on my channel. If you've not done so, I would really request you to go ahead and subscribe to my channel and press the bell button. That will enable you to look at all the new videos that I'm going to be coming up with on my channel. I would also want you and request if you could like the videos that I present, comment on them, and also share those videos within your network if possible. So today I'm going to be talking about the 16 must-have communication traits, and I'm going to be talking about the first trait, which is the video skills. Video skills are very important from a communication skill standpoint, specifically if we look at today's day and age, where most of us or more of us tend to be on meetings or tend to be in conversations which are more video oriented conversations per se. So let's talk about the video skills. Now, all you need for recording a video of yourself is a camera enabled device. And I'm sure today all of you would be having a camera enabled device, whether it be a smartphone, whether it be an iPhone or iPad or a laptop or a computer desktop, which of course comes with a camera enabled within that particular device. Now, what is required of you is pretty simple. Go ahead, open your device's camera and start recording videos. Let me give you some amazing facts about videos. Well, videos go ahead and increase the chances of a front page Google result by almost 53 times. This is as per Forrester research. Also, approximately 80% of consumers prefer to watch videos than to read text to learn about products or services. And YouTube, where you are watching this particular video of mine, is the second most popular search engine globally. Ain't that amazing? 20 million videos are uploaded to Facebook per month. Also, 39 billion videos are viewed per month in the US. That approximates to almost 211 videos viewed and 16 hours of time spent per person per month just watching videos. Aren't all these amazing facts? Go ahead, start recording videos on yourself, start recording videos about something that you like, something that you want to talk about, something that you want to give information about to your audiences. Now, the thing you will be thinking about is that how you're going to do that. Well, here is a list of some free tools that I recommend you can use to go ahead and create videos. And let me also share some best practices with you, how you can go ahead and create some awesome videos. Well, first you need to plan well. You need to set a goal. You need to research your topic well, what topic you're going to be making your videos on. Better is to write a script on the videos and then also pick a relevant location where you want to go ahead and record these videos. Try to use a high quality camera, whether it's a mobile enabled or a professional camera or a USB enabled camera device. One thing is important is that you need to focus on lighting. Now, let me give you an example here. Now, see, over here, it became a little dark. But when I just go ahead and have a good lighting, that's very important. You shouldn't go ahead and record videos where it is too dark or it is too bright. And also you need to consider whether you're recording your videos indoors or outdoors. You also need to focus on audio quality per se. Please avoid empty rooms or empty halls because there will be echo there. So you need to mitigate the echo and also try to record in full or filmed rooms. Now, what I mean about filled rooms is that, it should not be empty. There should be some, furniture, some mattresses, or some sort of a material which primarily absorbs the sound. Most of all, the most important point of all is that you need to be comfortable being on camera to record high quality videos. And all these best practices are something which are learnable. Video making is a learnable skill. All you need to do is go ahead, take your mobile device, take your laptop, desktop, or any particular device which has a camera enabled in it. Go ahead, switch on the camera, and start recording videos. I'll come back to you in the next video where I'm going to be talking about yet another skill which will enable you to hone your communication skills. Till then, wish you all the best in your communication skill journey. And if you've not done so, I'll request you, please go ahead, subscribe my channel, hit the bell button, like my videos if you like them really, comment on them and share them. Till next time, take care, all the best, see you soon, bye.